Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make composite paste in ICARUS. First of all, go to the tech tree, tier 4, and make sure you got the electricity tool and some kind of a electricity generator unlocked, and the material processor and composite paste. Material processor, you're gonna need to build this one. It's kind of a hard thing to build because it requires a lot of electronics, but once you have it, just press F to interact, and you're gonna need some iron, silica ore, organic resin, and platinum ore or gold ore. In my case, I'm gonna be using platinum ore because it's much better for me to use. And you can go ahead and craft it. Of course, you may not be able to do it because you need to first off use the electricity tool to connect it to your grid. Now, as you can see, it's generating the composite paste. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it helped. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.